When we talk about that why polyandry, that means one wife, multiple husbands, and it is found in Tibet. It is found in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, these hilly areas.
We got married in 2017. Since 2017, the four of us are in this Jodidara system and we haven't faced any problem.
Right? That means less productivity, especially in the past. प्रोडक्टिविटी क्या होगा? कम होगी. अब अगर पॉपुलेशन की ग्रोथ ज्यादा हो जाए तो दे वोंट बी एबल टू एडजस्ट विद दैट those resources that are available in that area. ठीक है? So what they have done, they have devised this polyandrous marriage as an adaptation to this reduced productivity. How? Just look at it.
To keep the family united, I kept both brothers together. I didn't let them marry separately. And we teach the same to others too. Our custom is that 2 or 3 brothers stay together so that the land does not get divided.
So these are 2 brothers. They married to a single wife. Circle is representing women, triangle representing men. Okay. Now, if they are married to a single wife, how many kids they may produce? Say they produced 2 babies because women is 1. तो 2 ही produce करेगी. Right. Now, take the other case. Both brothers married to different wives. They produce say 2 children. It can be man, female. So they have produced say 4. So in one generation, generation 1 to generation 2, population is constant. Generation 1 to generation 2, population is expanding. Next generation, कितना हो जाएगा? All of these are marrying. So within few generations, what will happen? यहाँ पे 8 आ जाएगा. So in generation 3, we have 8, and generation after generation it is exploding. So polyandry is an adaptation to the environment. Why some societies practiced in Himalayas, in hilly terrain, in rocky terrain, because it helped them to adapt. Understood? So we don't judge that people are polyandrous, polygynous. We try to understand why do they practice this kind of custom.